Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. Okay, so in last video I have explained the details the, of our social share plugins, how you can use it on your website and how you can install it. Okay, so I have explained all the features of the free version of our social share plugins. Okay, so today I am going to explain the features of our pro add-on, how you can use it, as we have given a lots of feature in our pro add-on. Okay, so today I will explain all the settings of our app add-ons. So you can purchase the add-ons from our official site. We have given the link here as well, so you can access the on this page. Okay, we have given the different plan, so as per your requirement you can purchase any one plan. Okay, we have listed all the features here. So let me first explain how you can install in your website and how you can use it in your website. Okay, so let's install the add-ons. Okay, you will need to follow the same process, it like just like a normal plugins. Okay, and when you will purchase the our add-on, then we will send you the download link of add-on zip file. So you can find this zip file from your order confirmation email. Okay, and today I have the add-on zip file backup on my system, so let me this one. Okay, recently we have launched the version of our pro add-on 1.9, and so you can use this latest version on your website as well. Okay, so let's install this add-on. Yeah, plugin is ready, it means add-ons is ready to activate. Oh, let's activate it. Okay, so once you will activate the our pro add-on, your free version, existing free version plugin will automatically deactivated. Okay, so after configure the all settings of pro add-on, you can delete the free version. Okay, as we have already included all the features in pro add-on, so there will not require any free version plugins, so you can delete it after configure the plugin settings. Okay, so let's review the setting. You can find the settings by this link, and you can find the links under settings as well, this one custom pro, and you can find the link on top bar as well. Okay, so whenever you need to find that. Okay, so these are being auto checked. Okay, it means we have set up this add-on before it on your website, that's why it's showing auto check. Okay, so let me explain the settings of every tab. Okay, so in first tab we have given the listing of the all buttons, social buttons. Okay, so like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, these all buttons are also available in free version, and we have implemented in pro version as well. Okay, so let's enable the Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, these four buttons. Okay, so we have given the share count option as well on our website, so you can, if you want to enable the share count of any Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, Tumblr or Jing. Okay, as last time Google Plus has removed their functionality, so that's why we have removed the Google from as well here as well. And in old way, in old age, Twitter was also given the facility, was had given the facility to publish the share count on your website, but from last or 2 years Twitter has also removed the count functionality, so we have removed that button from this section as well. Okay, so let me first explain the general feature of add-on. Okay, it's same like you did in your free version I have explained already. Okay, so you can see there is a stylish buttons. It's because we have selected the custom style. Okay, so once you will install it, the default setting will be so, as we have already installed these plugins in our, that's why it's showing auto selected default, otherwise it will be so normal these one. Okay, you can see the button, it's same like standard color of the social site. Okay, so and you can enable the social buttons, any social buttons that you want to publish in your website, like if you want to Reddit, Tumblr, mailbox. Okay, print, we have given the print option here, Tumblr, Gmail, you can enable the Gmail option from here as well. Okay, so like Gmail and this take as Reddit, Line, WhatsApp, we have given the WhatsApp button option in the provide ons, Line, Digit, Google Translate, we have given the Google Translate button option as well. So if any user are visiting on your website and he doesn't know the English, then he can translate the your website as per his local language. Okay, so Yummy, VK, Buffer, Vibo, Telegram, SMS, Ching. So you can select the buttons as per your requirement that you want to publish on the your website. Okay, so we have given the phone number here as well. Okay, and same way YouTube, you will need to define the YouTube channel, RSS feed, you can use the RSS feed, you can add the RSS feed on your social as well. Okay, and same way Instagram, we have given the Instagram as well. Instagram not allowed to share your website content directly on their website, so that's why you will need to add here their official page. Okay, Skype, we have given the Skype button in add-on as well, so you can enter your Skype ID from here. Okay, and let me save the settings. For example, I have selected the Facebook button. Okay, so I am going to enable it and going to enable the count button for Facebook. Okay, as we are going to set up, we have set up the website on local server, so might be there will show only 0 count, but when you will move in on your website, it will be show the actual number of share count on your website. Okay, yeah, you can see 0 button. Okay, so once you over the Facebook button, you can see here 0 button. I have enabled the social contact mailbox, so once you will click on this, we have given a request inquiry, so request a callback contact form. So via this form, anyone can share your website content on your social network or with his friends. We have included the request URI by default in this field. So once you will, anyone will send the mail to his friend. Okay, so this URL will also automatically added in that mail. So we have given the WhatsApp button here, so you can use this button will be basically work only when you will browse the site from your mobile. As you know, WhatsApp is the social application, social app, so it will work only when you will visit your site from your mobile. So when you visit your site from mobile, then you will click on this button. In that case, he will share your current page, website current page on your WhatsApp chat window. Okay, so you can share it with anyone that you want. Okay, we have given the translate option. Using translate, Google Translate, we have given an option to translate your website, like you can see this is the local host, that's why it's not showing the content here, otherwise it will be show the properly. Okay, once you will use it on your live site, you will able to see the site here, and user can select their local language. Same way Gmail, if you have already logged in Gmail, then you will able to share the mail, the current page mail link, the current page link in your Gmail. Okay, so let's review the other functionality as well. Okay, so we have given two options to call the API. Sometime if default option you case, sometime if default option will not work on your website, okay, then you can choose the curl option. If you get any error on your website after this enable this then you can select the second option. Okay, sometime user can get the error on your website because due to some server settings. Okay, so if you will get any error after enable the count, then you can choose the curl option, otherwise you can leave as it is. Okay, so these are also same things I have already explained in free version. These are just only to over alt text. You have given the option to define the alt text. As many our plugins we have we have given OG tag. Okay, in this case let me show you. Here you can see pages. Okay, lights like this one. Okay, sorry, let me show you post. Okay, like this one. Okay, so here you can see there are not any option to define the OG tags. OG tag means using OG tag, this is the other SEO, this is the default SEO plugin functionality, but it's related to our customs here. Okay, so let me uninstall the our social share plugins. Many times when your social SEO plugins not given the feature and OG tag meta, then you can use this feature. Okay, basically OG tag will help you to define the share content of any page to share on Facebook or LinkedIn. Okay, you can define the shareable image and shareable content using OG tags. Okay, so let me enable it. Okay, I just enable the OG tag. You will see there will be a display a separate block where you can this one. Okay, we have given the feature OG tag. You can define a OG tag, description, title, and you can choose the any image. Okay, so once you can define the your OG type, your website type. Like if you are using OG tag for product, then you need to choose the product. If article, then you need to choose the article, and if you are publishing any post related to book, then you can select this one, otherwise you can leave it with default value. Okay, so we have given the feature currently in this add-on. Okay, and let me explain the some extra feature of our plugins as well. Okay, so you can see this section. Okay, this section is basically displaying due to our pro add-on. Okay, in pro add-on we have given and feature to hide the share button, sidebar buttons, floating sidebar button on any custom page, any specific page. Okay, let me show you how it work. You can see button are displaying on this post. Okay, suppose if you don't want to display these buttons only on this post, okay, then simply yes, hide sidebar, floating sidebar, you have need to select radio button, yes, okay, and save. See, you see the button has gone. Okay, so we have given this advanced feature in add-ons, so you can manually manage the position of the button, sidebar button. You can set the position left, right, page specific. This setting will be page specific. Okay, so this setting will be apply only for this post. Okay, so let me hide sidebar no, and I have given the position right. Okay, so our social share buttons will be published in right. Yeah, you can see. So this is just like a magic. Okay, these are the our social share content. These social buttons will be displayed in content area of the page or post. Okay, so we have given the same feature to manage this post or page for this as well. Okay, so first I think this will work after enable the this one. Okay, so let me explain. Okay, and show the social bar. Yes, yeah, you can see the social share button has displayed on content section as well. Okay, and you can define the position like left. Okay, left. Okay, so these button will be also left. Okay, so here in feature in coming version we will add a new option to define the position of social share button. It means above the content or below the content, as we have currently given the options only here, like we have selected bottom of the content, so these default settings are applying here. Okay, so in here you can see it. Okay, so in coming version we will try to add this feature, so you will able to set the social share buttons position from for individual page as well, page or post as well. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, I will come later on this section style. Okay, first let me explain the sidebar position, floating sidebar settings. Okay, same here I have already explained, and by a page setting, the setting will be work like this as well. Okay, you can choose the sidebar position left, right, bottom. Okay, sidebar position for mobile, you can select the separate sidebar position for mobile as well. Okay, you can define the delay time as I have already explained in my free version. This is basically to define the delay time to publish the share button on your website. For example, if you don't want to load the publish the share buttons after load the page, you want to load the social buttons after 10 seconds of the page load. Okay, in that case you can define the delay time. This will be the millisecond. Like if you want to publish the social buttons after page load after 5 seconds of page load, in that case you have need to define 5000 value here. You have need to define 5000 value. Okay, so we have given an option, you can disable it mobile. Okay, you can same features like in free version, auto sidebar and remove share button. Okay, these are the same features as we have already given in free version. Okay, so hide sidebar on, you can update the setting here to hide the sidebar. If you don't want to publish the share button home page, then you have need to select this one and you will see. Okay, so button is now not showing on home page, but they are showing on this page. Okay, as we have, I have defined the 5-second delay time, that's why they display little delay. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so you can hide sidebar for blog, search page, category page, tag page, author, or you can select this one. Okay, once you will select this one, it means it will apply to all search, check, archive, tag page. Okay, so if you will select the all archive pages checkbox, then social share buttons will not publish on article page, on tag page and author page as well. Okay, if you want to hide the sidebar for a specific custom post type, if you don't want to, if you want to hide the social bar for post but not pages, or you want to in same way you want to hide the sidebar for page not post. Okay, in that case let me check. Okay, I have in the page only. Okay, so sorry, I have select the page, so social share button will not display on page. Okay, they will display on the post. So let me go on post. Okay, so you can see post are showing on blog post, social share button are showing on blog post but not on pages. So this is happened due to this setting. Okay, you can select none if you want to display the social button from all custom post type. Okay, and same way you can select the custom taxonomy here. If you don't want to share the publish the social share buttons for any custom taxonomy type, then you can select from here. Okay, now let's come on how you can use your custom buttons on your website. Okay, for example, if you want to change, if you want to use your custom Facebook button icon. Okay, so in that case you have no need to do much more, just click on this. Okay, for example, few seconds ago I was download the Facebook. Okay, this one. Okay, so I have uploaded this icon and insert into post. Okay, so here is the option to define the background. If you don't want to give any background, then you can leave it. Okay, and same way you can define the share with your Facebook friend. Okay, and let me save the setting. So see, this is showing the default Facebook button. Okay, as I have used the my custom Facebook buttons for this section. So let me refresh the page. Yeah, you can see the Facebook has changed. Okay, so let me change the background color. You can select the color of current menu via this inspect element tool. This is really very helpful tool. Okay, so this is the actual color. Okay, and let me set the default color. Okay, and save the setting. Okay, you can see we have set the background color of our custom buttons. Okay, yeah, you can see the button of our Facebook button background color also has been changed. Okay, so in same way you can use these all buttons to define your custom image for any specific button. Okay, we have given the features to upload the image button to any other as well. Okay, Jing, BKML, we have given the this feature for all buttons. Okay, so if during to reset the value of these all buttons, like if you don't want to use your custom and you want to use our plugins default settings, then you no need to do much more, just click on reset value and save. See, let's go on default Facebook button is now showing here. Okay, so these are the context. You can select the context here. You can define the distance, position, left, right. You can define the top margin. Okay, if you want to give the like 40% of top, then you will see button will be published little below site. Okay, you can see button were showing and little above, and after define the position of top 40%, it's going to below the page. Okay, so as per your requirement you can use, as per your website design you can use these settings. Okay, and we have share button text and share button background colors, means this one. You can define the share button. Basically I think this will be useful when you will use the custom style. Okay, and social size, you can define the your custom social size as well. Okay, so as per your website design you can use these feature as well. So sidebar floating sidebar setting is clear for you. Oh, now let's review the settings of social share buttons. I means these buttons. I am asking about these button. Okay, so you can see we have enabled the publish share button for post and blog page. By default these button will not publish on your website. Okay, so here in sidebar you have we have given the option, by default we have published the sidebar. If you don't want to publish sidebar, then you have need to select the custom type, custom taxonomy or any other category or tag page to hide the sidebar. Okay, and same case social side you have need to choose the settings to publish the social buttons. Okay, here we are using the settings to hide the sidebar, and here we are using to use the setting to show the share button. Okay, by default share button will not be published in your site. Okay, so let me explain. These are the settings, and same way you can use the Facebook button, alt button here, and okay, so friends, the sidebar settings will be clear for you. Okay, so have all cover all the settings, major settings of the our plugins. Okay, so you can use these buttons in same way like you have used in sidebar. Okay, so let me define the settings of the okay, so we have given a feature in our add-on. Okay, we have given a feature in our add-on to pop-up lightbox. Okay, you can use the button from anywhere. Okay, so if you don't want to use the default form, okay, like you are using a form 7 plugins or any other plugins, then you have no need to worry. You can use these plugins form shortcode in this lightbox as well. Okay, so like this is custom form. Okay, and let me, I have given the instruction, add content or any shortcode. We have tested it, contact form 7 plugins. Okay, so let me, this is our my custom form, so might it not work. We have tested it, contact forms. Let me see how this happen. Oh wow, it's working. Yeah, validation is not working because we have not tested with custom form, but this work. Okay, so but when you will use the form 7, as form 7 use the ajax. Okay, and custom form we have not used the ajax, that's why it not working, validation is not working. Okay, but when you will use the contact form 7, okay, then I am 100% sure it will work fine here. Okay, so you can use the shortcode of form, okay, in this lightbox like this. Okay, and you can define the text here as well, like please fill all required fields. Sorry. Okay, and see the text will be shown, please fill all required fields. Okay, so here you can define your custom form validation and with custom text. Okay, so heading, you can change the heading of the, like let me define the request a callback. Okay, please fill all required field. Okay, so let me see how it's looking now. Yeah, you can see the text is changed and please fill all required fields, it's surviving. Okay, the validation of default form is working fine, and we have added the some honey spot captcha, hidden captcha in this form, so you will not receive spam as well. Okay, so you can use this form on your website as a request callback form. Okay, so you can define the like 0 background color. You see, the background color has been changed. Okay, so 0 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 ba as per your requirement, as per your theme design, you can use these settings. Okay, and these settings you have defined, these settings will work only default form. Okay, if you will use the contact form 7, then you have no need to use this setting. Okay, this setting will apply only for default form. Okay, you can define the to mail, cc mail from subject line, email message, thank you email message. Okay, and this message will be published on after submit the form. We have given an option to default remove. If you will remove default css, in that case the default css of form will be not published. Okay, you can see form is showing here. Okay, so don't remove the default settings, otherwise form can lightbox can break. Okay, because we have made this lightbox custom, we have not used any external JS file or library file. Okay, we have used a custom JavaScript to build this pop-up form. Okay, so you can use as per your requirement. So lightbox is clear. Now custom button. Okay, we have given one more feature in this pro add-on. Okay, you can use any button like request a callback button. If you want to use any request a callback button, okay, then you can use request callback button here. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Like we have already installed this one. Okay, Facebook. I'm going to Facebook button as your custom button. Okay, http www.wp expert.in. No, let me install a new button. This one. Okay. And I have given contact us. Contact us, and you can use this setting in this button as well, otherwise it will take the default button settings. Okay, you can define the button setting, like if you want, if you are using a high resolution buttons, then you will, as per your button size, image button size, you have need to define the width and height of the buttons, custom button. Okay, so let's see what happened. Yeah, you can see it's showing on base of our custom button. Okay, and once when you will user click, it will redirect to the designated site that you have defined during create the custom button. Okay, in same way you can these all buttons as per your requirement. Okay, so we have given 5 6 7 8 custom image button, means you can use custom image button icon. Okay, let's say if you want to use any custom text button like call us. Okay, same way I am going to add a link wp expert.in contact. Okay, so we can define the text color here, and we can define the background color from here. Okay. For example, I am going to choose the text color white and background color black. Okay, you can define the target self or blank. Okay, so I am going to define the target as blank. Colas. Okay, colas. This is basically not showing here. Okay, so in that case you have need to increase the define the height. I'm going to define height 60 px. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this time our full text are showing right now. Okay, so as per your requirement you can use these buttons, these text button. Okay, you can define the animation, define animation width, can define the width, like I am going to define the width short 60. You can see button showing in custom auto. Okay, so as per your theme you will require to do little changes in your CSS to make it compatible with your theme design. Okay, so you can these buttons as your one custom button. Okay, so custom button is now clear and advanced. Okay, here we have given one more features in our add-ons. Okay, you can use any share button as your official social site button. Like you can use, if you don't want to use Facebook button like as a share button. Okay, so in that case you have need to do just define the your official page URL here. Okay, and after add the official page URL, the button will work like normal social button. It will not work like social share button. Okay, it will work like simple social button. Okay, so for example, currently, for example, let me enable Twitter. Okay, this will be good to explain because for other one we have need to login. Okay, so I have enabled the Twitter. Okay, you can see Twitter button. Okay, currently when I am going to click on this, then it's showing the new window and Twitter button. Okay, and I will need to log in to tweet this text with URL. Okay, now if you want to use this button like your official social button, not social share button. Okay, in that case you have need to define the name of your official twitter.com WP experts in WP experts. This is our Twitter official Twitter account. Okay, so I am going to okay, so I have added our official Twitter account. Okay, and for Twitter account we have given the feature to add the rate as well. Okay, this will work only when you will use the button as share button, not social button. Okay, so let me see how it will work. Okay, you can see the button is showing WP expert, and when you will click it will redirect to your social website, official social site. Okay, it will not work like social share button. Okay, so it's clear. After add your custom official page URL here, button will start work like a normal social button. It will not work like social share button. Okay, explain the setting. Okay, so this one we have given the feature name as tag. Okay, this will work only when we are using Twitter as your social button. Okay, so this will work when you will use the Twitter as social share button. Okay, and your username will automatically add in Twitter share window. Okay, like this one. Okay, you can see your username as by default automatically added in share button. So when user will share your page on his Twitter account, okay, in that case you will get the notification for this tweet, as we are already adding the Twitter account in Twitter hashtag in Twitter share window. So when user will share your website content, okay, in that case you will get a notification that some user has share your site on their Twitter account. Okay, so you can manage the traffic, or you can see that notification who has share your website on Twitter. Okay, so it's very useful feature. Okay, so you can enjoy it in your period on. Okay, and we have given the over disable feature social button, disable over like this one. Okay, you can setting to enable the over settings. Okay, and here we have defined the option to define the ordering of the page. Like you can see Facebook is coming at 1 2 3 4 5 6 position, and Twitter is coming in top. So let's switch the it 10, let's make it 2, and Twitter 10. Okay, so you will see Twitter will move in bottom, and so your WhatsApp button will be published in top of the page. Yeah, see, yeah. Okay, in same way you can define the ordering of the other pages as well. Okay, okay, so I have covered all the features in our add-on, and I hope you like these features. Okay, so especially page specific setting, we have explained these features. Okay, this is very useful features. Okay, and we have given the OG meta tag option as well. Okay, so you can use this setting. Okay, let me last I have missed to explain the custom style. Okay, you can use, if you don't want to use official buttons on your website, official button on your website, let me disable, so it will start on home page as well. Okay, I will check setting to custom style, and that's where it's showing the buttons in this format. Okay, sometimes user want to use the social share button similar to their website. Okay, in that case you can choose the custom style, this one. So you can use custom styles as per your site design. Okay, like if you want to use black color, okay, as a background color, let's see, yeah, it's showing in black color. So as per your website design you can choose any color they fit with your design. Okay, to fit your website design you can select the background color from here. Okay, like this one. If you are using background white, see, this is like just a magic. Okay, text, if you want to change the text, then you can select, and this one you can see button are showing in red. Its combination is not good. We can use background color with red, then it will be good. Yeah, okay. So you can use custom style if you want to use your custom button as per your website design. Okay, so in same way you will able to see the social buttons on blog page, no, this one, blog page, this one. In same way you can change the style of this button as well. For example, let me make it black as well. Okay, it will similar to sidebar. This is also black and this is also black. So friends, you can use these features as per your site design requirement. If you want to use default standard color, then you will require to choose your default custom style. Okay, and if you want to use default color, then you can choose this one. You will see these are the default color. Okay, as per the official social site color. Okay, so if you don't want to use default color, if you want to use your custom color, background color, using background color or its text color, in that case you can use our default custom style setting. Okay, and that's it. I have explained all the features. Okay, one more thing I want to let you know about our this add-on or free plugins. Okay, we have not used any external JavaScript or CSS file to make it compatible with your website, to add the social sidebar within your website. Okay, we have used a very small CSS and JavaScript in this plugins, so this will not impact your website speed. As you can see, many times someone are using the website like other plugins like share this and add to any plugins. Okay, so basically these plugins added their internal redirection code. Okay, so you will notice when user will click on their button, social button, then they will redirect to their official website, not to social site. Okay, like if you going to share the content on Facebook, if user will click on Facebook button, then it will redirect to, like if you are using add to any button, then it will redirect to first add to any site, and then add to any website, redirect the user to social site. So something like this, we have not used any coding within our plugins. Okay, so there are not any hidden script, there are not any hidden external or large library, so it never affect your website speed. Okay, it will look like a very lightweight plugin. Okay, so you can use in your website, and it's really social share social sharing website is really very helpful to grow your business. Okay, and our plugins, we hope our plugins will help to grow your business and increase the traffic on your website. Okay, because website traffic play a very important role. Okay, so using our plugins, when user will share your website on their social network, and after that user visit your website link. Okay, in that case traffic will be increase on your website. If traffic will be increase your website, then your lead also will be start come. Okay, in that case your business automatically grow. Okay, so our plugins will help you to grow your business in very smart way. Okay, I hope you will like this video, and if you have any query, okay, then you can paste your query in video comment box. I will try to reply you within short time as well possible. Okay, so I am now going to end this video, and I will come back again with our new video with new information. So for today, bye guys, take care, see you in next video.